Hey guys, winter season is beautiful, but it also brings many hidden problems. Low immunity, constipation, body pain, weak bones, dull skin, and for some people, sudden weight loss or unhealthy weight gain issues. Instead of depending on supplements or medicines, our traditional Indian kitchen already has a powerful solution. Today, I'll share a simple yet highly effective winter drink. This drink supports immunity, digestion, glowing skin, strong bones, weight management, and overall strength, making it perfect for all age groups when taken correctly. This complete nourishing drink that strengthens the body from inside, rather than giving temporary energy. During winter, our digestion becomes slower, blood circulation reduces, and the body needs more internal heat and nourishment. Gond is a natural heat-producing food, which is why it has been used for centuries in winter recipes. Before moving ahead, one important point needs clarity. The gond used here is edible gond or dink, commonly used in laddus and traditional recipes. This is not gond katira. Gond katira is cooling in nature, while dink is warming, which makes it suitable for winter use. Choosing the correct gond ensures maximum benefits and prevents unwanted side effects. Gond is rich in natural calcium, protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Because of this combination, it helps in strengthening bones and joints, improving digestion and relieving constipation, supporting skin repair and glow, boosting immunity, helping healthy weight gain when required. This makes it especially beneficial for growing children, women, elderly people, and those recovering from weakness. Now let's understand how to prepare this drink correctly, because the method of cooking plays a major role in how effective it becomes. Start by placing a pan on low flame and add 1 spoon of ghee. Ghee helps activate the nutrients in gond and also supports digestion. Once the ghee is warm, add 2 spoons of gond or dink. Slowly fry it while stirring continuously. As gond heats up, you'll notice 2 changes. Its size will expand, and its color will turn golden. These changes indicate that the gond is properly cooked and ready to release its nutrients. At this stage, remove it from the pan and keep it aside in a separate container. Using the same pan helps retain the nutritional essence of ghee. Now add 1 glass of milk to the pan. Here, you can customize the drink based on your body goal. If your aim is healthy weight gain or strength building, use 1 full glass of thick milk. If your goal is weight management or mild weight loss, use half glass milk and half glass water. Boil this mixture well, so it becomes warm and easy to digest. Then transfer it into a serving glass. To the warm milk, add 1 spoon of fried gond, 1 spoon of jaggery powder. Stir well, until everything dissolves completely. Jaggery not only adds sweetness, but also improves iron levels and digestion, making the drink healthier than refined sugar. This drink can be consumed at any time of the day, but timing changes the benefits. If taken at night before bed, it works excellently for relieving constipation, improving gut movement, relaxing the body and joints. If consumed during the day, it supports energy levels, immunity, and bone strength throughout daily activities. The warming nature of gond, combined with milk and ghee, strengthens the immune system. It helps the body fight seasonal infections, like cold, cough, and weakness, which are common in winter. It relieves constipation naturally. Gond contains fiber that improves bowel movement. When taken warm, especially at night, it softens stools and supports smooth digestion without causing dependency like laxatives. Promotes glowing and healthy skin. Healthy skin starts from the gut and nutrition. This drink nourishes the skin from within, reducing dryness, dullness, and winter-related skin problems. Regular consumption improves natural glow over time. It strengthens bones and reduces bone ache. Because Gond is rich in calcium, and milk supports bone density, this drink is extremely helpful for joint pain, back pain, knee pain, bone weakness. It is especially beneficial for women, elderly people, and those with bone aches during cold weather. It supports healthy weight gain. For underweight individuals, this drink provides clean calories, healthy fats, and proteins that help increase weight gradually without harming digestion. Helps in weight management. When prepared with diluted milk, it keeps you full, controls cravings, and improves metabolism, making it useful for people trying to manage weight healthily. This drink is suitable for adults, elderly, growing children can take in small quantity. However, people with very sensitive digestion or severe medical conditions should start with small amounts and observe how the body responds. You can drink this 3 to 4 times a week during winter. Daily consumption is not required, as Gond is heat-producing in nature. This traditional winter drink is a perfect example of how simple ingredients can provide powerful health benefits when used correctly. Instead of relying on artificial supplements, including this nourishing drink in your routine can naturally improve immunity, digestion, skin health, bone strength, and overall energy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more natural health remedies and traditional wellness tips. Stay warm, stay healthy, and take care of your body naturally.